Thank you for being here. Thank you if you've subscribed to my channel and you've been watching me for a while. Thank you for your presence. Thank you if you took the risk of watching this video without knowing who I am. I am Roubina Khodadin, artist, healer and spiritual guide. Full with gratitude. This is what oftentimes people tell us we have to be. We've got to be filled with gratitude. So what is gratitude? Is the feeling of thankfulness. Thankfulness towards who, towards what? It's up to you. Thankfulness towards somebody, thankfulness towards the universe, thankfulness towards the air, thankfulness towards God, towards whatever. Being thankful is a feeling beyond words, just like love and many other things. It's a feeling. So the purpose of nourishing this feeling is that when we give out, we receive. When we're giving out a feeling of thankfulness, we receive something in return. We receive just, for instance, a form of positivity because we've said something with our heart. This is why it's important when you think a thank you or you say a thank you is to feel it and to just imagine that it's like maybe you can imagine it like a balloon and you blowing into this balloon an air, and the air is the feeling of thankfulness, whatever that means for you, whatever the color, the smell, the touch of that feeling. I only transmit inspired information, right? So what I will tell you is what I get as inspired information. So the universe kind of works in a way that when we give, we receive. For instance, when we're putting water to the plants, they grow. When we give ourselves food, we grow. And obviously, there are things that happen which is part of destiny. You know, plants die, we die. But as a general rule, when we give, we receive. So giving out a feeling of gratitude, the purpose of it is to acknowledge that something exists and something is there, to acknowledge that we are happy to have received it, and also the positivity sort of travels around. It's like an energy. It's like now the wind has has come up, so it's like the wind kind of blows this energy of gratitude, and it sort of whirls and eventually comes back to us. We don't know how it comes back to us, and it doesn't really matter really. So that's why, for instance, if you're ill and let's say you've got toothache, maybe in the morning just remember sometimes to, as you're brushing your teeth, to thank your teeth, because usually when things go well we forget to thank them. It's when it doesn't go well. So the purpose is that it brings something back in the universe and travels around and comes back to us in a way or form. And what does it sort of serve? What are the effects of gratitude? The effects of gratitude are actually amazing. It's really, really, really amazing. I can't really describe it with words, the way the information is coming to me. But just imagine, as I said, when you're brushing the teeth, right? Your teeth are part of you. We're used to using all the time. We chew and then whatever, we bite and all that stuff. But if we think about it, the teeth have been given to us. We're born with those teeth to be able to live, because if we can't chew food, we can't grow. So the effects of gratitude is that it nourishes let's say the creation part of it with a feeling that is telling it, you know, it's great that you're here, and please keep doing your job. It's like saying thank you to your teeth is at the same time it's some form of encouragement. So we're encouraging our teeth to keep working by saying thank you. So the effects is that there are things that can be prevented. There's things that can be prevented. I'm not saying that you'll never have a tooth decay. That's not the point. But we definitely can prevent unnecessary things coming into a life by taking the habit of practicing a form of thankfulness. And usually it's better to practice this before something wrong happens to us. So maybe whatever is precious for you, maybe take the habit every day of thanking it, because it encourages that thing, that part of the body, that energy, that person, whatever, to keep bringing good into our life. I hope this makes sense to you. I could illustrate that by more personal examples and concrete examples, but I'd have to make a conference for that. It's just far too much. Do like this video, please. Thank you again for your presence here. Just to illustrate the difference between saying thank you and feeling thank you, I'll show you. Let's say I say thank you for being here, or if I say, you see, the second time I didn't say anything, but you could possibly feel it was beyond words. So this is the kind of feeling that will help, will have a purpose, and will bring good results in our life, and not just in our life, on a more global level, because as humanity we are linked with other people, aren't we? Thank you for liking this video, for subscribing to the channel, clicking the notification bell so you can get notified of future videos, and see you very soon for another sharing. Bye bye.